Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajshekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of Markets with India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. It is very important to understand Nifty's daily price volume action to gauge the market, how it is placed in the current moment, and also have a view on the market going forward. Recently, we have seen Nifty breaching its 200 DMA and it rebounded from there after a week of period. And in the process, currently it is trading very close towards its 50 and 100 DMAs. It is trading in between those two levels. So we might expect consolidation going forward as long as Nifty stays in these levels. For the positive momentum, we need to see Nifty reclaiming its 100 DMA on higher volumes. There is a certain overhead supply on the index and other broader market indices as well. So Nifty has to overcome those that overhead supply in order to make a new all-time high. On the downside, 200 DMA is going to be a very crucial level for the index. If that level is breached, we might see further selling. But going by the current scenario, market circumstances, that is less likely to happen. Coming to the market status, we are in a rally attempt. That is, Nifty is attempting a rally currently. Follow through session confirms that the rally is intact. That is, follow through session is when Nifty advances significantly higher on volume, higher than the previous session. That signifies that there is a fresh amount of buying coming into the markets. That signifies there is a rally is about to start. That is when we change the market status to confirmed uptrend. Even though we are in rally attempt, there are few stocks which are looking very good or which are leading the market and their sectors as well. We are looking out for those stocks to add them to the model portfolio. Some other companies which are in news are RVNL Rail Vikas Nigam Limited has received an order worth 270 crores of rupees for construction of elevated metro stations from Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation. Texmaco Rail has received an order worth 187 crores of rupees from Chhattisgarh State Power Transmission Company. This is to construct transmission lines on turnkey basis. The overall project is expected to be executed within a period of 15 months. NITCO has received an order worth 105 crores of rupees from Prestige Estates projects. This is for the supply of tiles, marbles, and mosaic. Additionally, the company is expecting or anticipating further orders worth 100 crores from Prestige projects as well in the future. Coming to the institutional activity, yesterday both foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors were net sellers. They have sold more than 200, respectively 278 crores and 234 crores of rupees of Indian equities. Coming to the global market update, US market closed in the positive territory except for Dow Jones, which closed 0.2725% lower. S&P closed 0.4% higher, whereas Nasdaq was the biggest gainer with a gain of more than 1.2%. Asian markets are trading mixed as we speak. Shanghai and Kospi are trading with in negative bias, whereas Nikkei is trading with positive bias of gain 0.16%. GIFT Nifty is trading very close to the yesterday's closing price. Nifty closed at 24,668. So that is where GIFT Nifty is trading currently as well. So we are expecting a muted opening on the Nifty front. And as we talked about in the first slide, we might see consolidation in the Nifty's action as long as the Nifty stays in between those two major moving averages. Coming to the chart of the day, we picked Ashoka Buildcoin. The stock was added yesterday because the stock broke out from stage 3 consolidation base pattern. It is a very good stock on most of the parameters. The base formation has been ideal. Volumes have stayed below average. And during the right side of the base formation, volume picked up, showing good signs of strength. If you look at the ratings are looking very good as well. The EPS is at 96, indicating strong fundamental character. Technical ratings have also been very intact. Price strength is at 83 and RS line you can see here has been hitting blue dots, signifying that there is still strength remaining in the stock. Buyer demand is highest at A plus, indicating good amount of accumulation happening in the stock. So overall, on most of the parameters, it is a very good stock to consider. Look out for the ideal buy range to take initiate fresh positions, and on the downside, please be watchful for the stop loss levels as well. Thank you for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.